In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sections in Asana tasks to organize your subtasks effectively. We'll explore two methods using both sections and custom fields to help streamline your workflow and keep your projects neatly organized. Let's start by accessing your Asana dashboard. Head over to the Asana website at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login. If you don't, you can easily get started by selecting Get Started or Try for free. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on your dashboard, and from here we can dive into our first method of organizing your tasks. We're going to use the sections in a project. First, navigate to the specific project where your task resides. Once you've opened that project, you'll want to create a new section. You can do this by pressing the keyboard shortcut tab followed by the letter N, or by clicking on the Add Section button, usually found at the top of your task list. Creating a section helps segment your tasks, providing visual cues that are easily understandable at a glance. After creating a section, it's important to give it a name that clearly reflects its purpose. Think about categories like to do, in progress, or completed. This naming convention will help you and your team know what needs attention right away, or where each task stands in your workflow. With your sections named, you can now drag and drop your tasks into their respective sections. This reorganizing process not only enhances the clarity of your project, but also makes sure that everyone is on the same page. Now, onto our second method, organizing subtasks using custom fields. Asana currently doesn't allow for the creation of sections within subtasks, but don't worry, custom fields can be just as effective. Custom fields give you a different dimension of organization, particularly useful for categorizing and tracking the status or priority of each subtask. To add custom fields, start by opening the task that contains the subtasks you want to organize. Navigate to the subtask section and click on Customize in the top right corner. This is where you can add new custom fields. Consider adding a field like stage or category to give you further control and insight into your subtasks. You'd be able to label each subtask according to its priority, its current status, or any other differentiation that suits your team's needs. By integrating these two methods into your Asana usage, you can significantly increase the clarity and efficiency of your projects, ensuring that everything is in the right place and easily accessible. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how these organizational methods can reshape your project management workflow in Asana. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.